Ready? 2, 1. Alright, so Lost in Time Festival 2023. Jaz Elise, how are you feeling?
Yeah, Duttyberry. Yeah, I feel good. I'm very excited. It's been a long day, but I'm just so grateful to be here. And just the energy is so high. Proto is about to go on, and it's bare surprises, so I'm really anticipating.
Yeah. Before we jump into your business now, like, what is your favorite Protege song?
Oh my God, who knows?
Yeah.
Lord God.
Yeah, man, why everybody up on the spot?
We're not who knows. Flames.
Yes.
I think both of them have chronics on it.
Yeah.
Oh, the one with Mortimer.
Watch her now, you see that if she did on Spoon Challenge quiz, you know, she lose the pint.
Yeah.
Alright, so talk to me about your career just far. You're kinda a newbie, but you're kinda in it for a while now.
Yeah.
Like, how do you feel positioned in terms of your music and where you want to go?
I mean, obviously, it's like every time I look at where my career is, I feel like, oh, there's so much further I want to go, there's so much more I want to do, but that just drives me to keep going. And you have to remember, I'm a newbie who's been in it for now almost 4 years. 2 years of which was in pandemic.
Yeah.
So it's a crazy thing that I experienced when I just started music, that now I'm catching back up like how the world opened up. Now I'm doing touring, now I'm doing shows, about to release more music, feeling
you're making them US dollars now and Canadians and pounds.
And the pounds and the euros.
Okay, love that for you. Just remember me in case you want to just perform and throw some money to the people.
Yeah, go forward after my mother, my father, my sister. Yeah, after that,
yeah, man,
I'm a niece there.
right there. Why keep on add more people to the list? No, like one of the things like I actually like the fact that for a new artist, you have like a loyal fan base in a quick period of time.
That's what I realized today.
You have some fans like them, like, yo, from a dead here, them want for dead too. Like, how does that feel? And like, you feel like there's anything specifically that you did to kind of get that in such a short period of time?
You know, I'm just grateful. I feel like I have to attribute a lot of that to Protege because he has shared his fans with all of us. That's been on the label with him, and it's a blessing to be in that space and get a piece of the fans. But I tell my mother and my father for birth me. I'm cool, I'm nice. And as so comes, I'm just myself. And I'm glad that people feel connected to who I am and what I show them. And I just thought.
Yeah, do you ever feel like pressure to probably step out and like show a different side of Jaz Elise? Because you're in the Protege camp, so me know as an artist, sometimes you want to show like different parts of you.
Of course.
You're kind of careful about like how much you kind of switch up and show a different side.
Never fearful, born fear. That's why fear. We do not feel fearful at all, right? Because fear is not of God. You see me? I'm a believer in a God, but what I will say is that there's a lot of pressure to do greatness, no matter what the time frame. So I feel that pressure sometimes, but I have to bring myself back to say, listen, me's not looking for a quick bus tomorrow, right? Me I look for a career in this thing. Longevity. So that calm me down and say, no pressure, do your thing, do your best, and from here, do your best. You can't ask me, I'm doing my best.
Love that. No, I want you to tell me, like, what are the upcoming projects, like singles and stuff that you have for the rest of 2023, performances where people can see you next? Tell me all of that.
Alright, so after Litfest now, we have a couple shows in the US, and I'm doing a Europe tour for summer. First Europe tour, summer jam, reggae jam, etc.
It's right after the tour that is when I am going to beg you. And that sound like you're making some good kind. Like the kind that goes stronger than where you make a Jamaica.
God, more than the kind though, it's the experience, it's the exposure.
Hear me, Jamaica.
It's, oh my God, it's getting people to hear me. Those who for the past 2 years have been in lockdown and never see me yet in person, now they have the opportunity to see me and I have the opportunity to see them. And the new music I got finally released.
More visuals,
music. It's been over a year since I dropped something, and as a new artist, me not take it for granted that you're still there with me. And me don't give no music once a month. So more music, more show, more growth. Look out for Jaz Elise. Remember that name, remember the face. One love, prosperity. Duttyberry, big up yourself. I rate you. I'm glad to get to do an interview with you.
A part of the reason why somebody wants to step here is because I've seen you and your voice. Your voice and you come on stage, especially if you're a new artist, is very impressive. So, but specifically come here because I say, I need to kind of get my first Jaz Elise interview. Because I know when you win the Grammys and them look something here, I want to pull up the interview here and say, yeah man, me did dead here.
Hold on. Remember this. Right now, this moment. You see when I win the Grammy, pull up that interview, yeah.
Yes.
Tag Duttyberry.
Yes.
Tag Jaz Elise.
And them time them have my Emmy for my talk show.
And
So
you understand? Remember this, give thanks. It's God, you know, it's God. It's God alone.
Manifesting it.
Have to manifest it. It's in the future, it's coming. You just look out and know, say, who no make me get the Grammy when the Grammy comes.
No, before we go now, you have to go to the box cover, because you're on the channel now. So let's go to box cover.
So, box cover.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah, man, like that.
all right. Do it all again.
One more time.
Box cover.
All right, Jaz Elise said that. Take care. Alright, so Lost in Time Festival there with Ras-I. Ras-I, how are you feeling?
Great. You know, the vibes was good. The people them come out early and give a good energy. And I'm give them some good love too with music, so great vibes.
Were you actually shocked that Jamaicans showed up here like early on time and get for taking your performance?
Surprising a little bit, but one thing with my fans are very supportive. So I give thanks to that all the time.
Now, as somebody who's probably new to the name Ras-I, how would you define your sound and your approach to music?
Yeah, I can only say roots and fruits, you know. I have roots tune and I have some fusion sounds as well, but even with the fusion sounds, we kind of keep the roots essence still present, you know.
Yeah. Now, with the Jamaican landscape right now, where you know most of the music are focused on one type of like subject matter, do you find it a struggle to kind of break into all of that marketplace, or are you comfortable with, I guess, your pace and your growth so far?
Well, one thing it teach me is patience. So, you know, I just take it one song at a time, one performance at a time. And I really try rush, you know, because I try to build something solid.
Yeah.
So that's that way I do. I not really find, in the beginning, but then when you see what happened to a lot of people who skip many steps, many crucial steps, you know, it's like, it's a reason why, you know. And I not really judge my journey off of nobody else's journey.
When you talk to your fans, your supporters, like, what is the common message we tend to hear from them, like the feedback we keep on hear from them?
Music make them feel good. And that's the main thing. Because that was the aim. So songs like Somewhere Wonderful and Kingman Thing, feel good music.
Any upcoming projects that you have for the remainder of 2023 that you want to share right now?
Yeah, man. Well, just more collaborations and singles next year for the album, but this year is really just singles and so.
Yeah, man. Any what you call additional visuals?
Yeah, visuals as well. Because we have to be a lot more visual to make it work, you know?
I'm sure you have your eyes set for like, you know, the reggae Grammy and all of these things and you feel like it's possible, right?
Yeah, man. Not impossible. Not out of reach, you know? Yeah. So that one.
No more, I'm going to ask this now. Do you find like, as I'm going to call like a Rasta artist, you find say the female supporters them like them give you more respect or you feel like they're just as aggressive as like the dancehall supporters them?
A bit of both, which I don't mind. You know, people are,
it is what it is.
People, we can't stop them.
Yeah,
they know what the message is and what the vibes is overall. So yeah, we're good.
Now, final question now. Who is one like artist who you feel like has inspired your journey thus far? Jamaican artist or, you know, internationally?
Stephen Marley. Yeah, I'm a teacher that. So yeah, like I'm a teacher that. From a little youth, I'm in a studio and thing with him, so I learn whole heap. So Stephen Marley and Damian Marley as well. Yeah, man, just them. Alright,
so at this point, no more, if I just could tell the people them like where to find you on social media, where for bookings, anything, just talk to Jamaica.
Yeah, at Ras-I_MUSIQUE or Ras-I_MUSIQUE everywhere else. Yeah.
Favorite Proto-J song? Detail? Come on, man.
So from 8 Year of Fear.
Okay.
Can't remember what name.
Proto-J, you see this?
No, man, that's alright, man. Him know say.
Yo, it's slip here.
I'm more patient than I ever been. Goosebumps me get it every again. And it'll mean in everything. Spirit emulating blessing in. And that makes me say me know the lyrics, so I can't tell.
Alright, pick up yourself in the Ras-I.